In this video, we will figure out why a gasoline trimmer stalls when we suddenly open the throttle, or in other words, the gas. My brush cutter is an FCO Stark 38, but this coarse and problem is typical for many brush cutters. Now I'll start it up, and we'll see how this malfunction shows itself. As you can see, the engine starts to stall if we suddenly increase the throttle. With this kind of problem, the first thing you need to do is unscrew the spark plug and check its condition. You can see that the spark plug is dry, which means the engine isn't getting enough fuel. Press this latch and remove the air filter housing. Here's the air filter. Of course it's dirty. I'll blow it out with a compressor. Now we need to carefully examine the overall physical condition and functional operation of the choke. You can see that it opens and closes precisely. Sometimes this bolt loosens and then the slide starts moving on its own regardless of the lever. After that, use a hex key to unscrew the air filter housing and check the condition behind the housing. Let's unscrew one bolt at the back. Here, the air filter housing has been removed. Let's check the cleanliness of the air holes. There are no obstructions to the airflow here. After that, we'll make a hook like this and check the cleanliness of the fuel filter installed inside. Quite frequently, this specific hose begins to lose its elasticity, and as a result, the filter occasionally starts to draw in air. That is exactly why it is necessary to monitor its overall condition regularly. It should be soft. The appearance is clean, let's blow it out. It blows through well, which means the filter is clean. I took the hose out of the fuel supply tank and a problem appeared. I see that there was a leak here. The hose simply tore. It's because of this leak. There was air being sucked in, and that's why there wasn't enough fuel for the engine to run. The brush cutter, I'll just cut off this part and put the clamp back in its place up to the carburetor. I'll remove the remaining piece of hose from the fitting. It's literally... Now, we are going to carefully put the fuel supply hose back into its original place, exactly where it belongs. After that, you can put the fuel filter back in its place. Drop it into the tank. Carefully attach the newly cut section of the fuel hose to the inlet fitting, located on the carburetor. Now you can check if there's any air being sucked in when using the primer. You see, the hoses are completely transparent. There are no air bubbles. That means there won't be any air leaks at this spot anymore. You also need to check the thermal insulation gasket between the carburetor and the cylinder. It must be intact and undamaged. So the cause of the malfunction was a leaky fuel line and air being sucked into it. Now you can put the air filter housing back in place. And put the air filter mesh back in place. Put the cap back on. And now you can try starting it up. so the cause of the malfunction was simply a loss of seal in the fuel intake line running from the fuel tank to the carburetor. Leave your feedback and comments, like the video, and subscribe to our channel. Stay with us. Goodbye everyone.